All right, just for knowledge, the needle length on the NatPara needles that they send is the same width and length as the syringes that I would be using if I used the insulin syringes. So I'm going to dial in a full day's dose, and then I'm just gonna insert the needle and push the medication in. Okay. Push the medication in. So that would have been one complete dose. If you, of course, you don't tap it if you're drawing up on your syringe. NatPara is very unstable drug, so don't tap the pen, the insulin needle like I just did. Let me push all the air out. Try not to push too much. All right, so one daily dose right here. Yikes. Kind of blurry there. So this line is 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, obviously. 6, 7. I got right at 7 on this one. So let me do a second dose. Pull back just a little more. I'm going to activate. And all right. And again, push the air up so that I'm at the 1 mark. All right, this one I got 6. So, oops, I bent my needle. All right, so that this one, all right, so we'll do, that should be the 3rd dose in this pen. Push all the air out to the top point. And this time I got, well, there's 5, 6, 7. So 7 again. All right, so these are the 3 days so far. So day 4. Or dose 4. Push all the air out. There's air trapped in the bottom. There we go. Drug right on up to 1 there. And as you can see, 5, 6. So 2 days I got 7, 2 days I've gotten 6. I'm not feeling real good about the accuracy of my pen. All right, dialed it in to go. Inject my medicine. Make sure to get it all. Tap out the ear. Push the ear to the top. Oh, big air bubble there at the bottom. So there. Air out. Right there. And this one measures 7. Alright, next day. Get all the air out. Big air bubble at the bottom. That can be accurate. There we go. Turn it so you can see the markings. Right on up to the top. And 6.5. All right. Day 7. All the air bubbles to the top. Oops, there we go. Pushed too far up there. All right, so that day doesn't count because I dropped some of it. So I have no idea if that's accurate or not. It's only 4, but so day 7, I screwed up, so it won't be an accurate test for day 7. Here's day 8. Day 8. Shoot up to that first marking. And 7. Day 9. Day 9 is right at 7. All right. Day 10. Oops. Punch back some. Not in the window anyway. There we go. It's a big air bubble. So this is day 10. And it's right at 7. Day 11. 7. All right, day 12. So I'm getting between 7 and 8. Right at 7. All right, 2 more days. Day 13. Air bubbles. And up. Seven. All right, last day. Day 14. And we are right at 6. So we had 3 days of 6, a day of 6.5, and all the other days were 7. And one day I screwed up, and I'm not sure. So I'm going to test this 3 or 4 more times and see if my results come up to the same. I'm not going to video all of that, obviously, because that would just be very time consuming. And on the next video, I will let you know how accurate it was if the pen consistently gives between 6 and 7 units. If it does, then the next thing I'm going to do is figure out consistently how much drug the pen delivers with each click. If you fluid in the cartridge. I'll have to fill it back up with fluid, but if you turn the knob, the clicker turns 9 times. And so I want to know consistently how much drug is at 1 click. If it's consistent, 1 click delivers X amount of drug, 2 clicks, so much drug, so that I know if I want a split dose, if I do 4 clicks, I know I'm getting the same amount every day in the morning, and then 5 clicks, I know I'm getting the same amount every day. However you end up doing it. Some people do 5 in the morning, 4 at night. They don't typically split half and half from what I've been reading. So I just want to research the clicks, if they're consistent, if 1 click consistently delivers the same amount. So that's what I'll do next after I test the syringes to see that each daily dose is between 6 and 7 units is what I got this time with this test. I'm gonna test it 3 or 4 more times to see if it consistently does the same.